Hey y'all, welcome back to Amber's Diamond Painting. My name is Amber. Sorry I touched the thing. Sorry. Welcome guys. So, I got interfered by my son and then my dogs freaked out. My phone was plugged in, knocked the whole thing off, so I had to restart this whole video. You guys, I was like 20 something minutes in. Darn it. So you don't get to see this unboxing. Sorry. But let's just start over. It's okay. It's okay. So this is take 2. This is how it came. It's a broken. It's okay though, Diamond Art Club. Oh. It's a beautiful washi tape. Look at those colors and those designs. Not pretty. You guys, I'm trying to get used to this, this way. Because, yeah, I'm trying. How cute. I like them. It's a washi tape. So yes, I caved in and took my points that I was saving, and I got my mom a pen, so she got one just like the pink one. So here's the pink one, that's for my mom. And then I got the blue one, the cloudy blue one, and that's so pretty. Yeah, that's pretty. I love it. Love it so much. Then I ordered Patty Wax and Super Patty Wax. I've been trying that out, you guys. I really like it. I don't have, ooh. Ooh. That's so sparkly. Which this isn't my first impression, unfortunately, because my son. It's okay. Isn't that pretty? That one really sparkles. So that's what I ordered with my $50 hairs. My thing, and then the pink one I got was because I was a Diamond member. So I got my mom really liked that pink one, so I got her one. I'm a nice daughter. I'm just kidding. So, I got Remember Me. And she was on a discontinued. So I was like, I better hurry up and get her. Or something like that. Yeah, I think she's on discontinued. Because I've been keeping my eye on her. I was like, I need to get her before, there's no more. So she is round with AB. She's 55 by 69 centimeters. Isn't she? Oh my goodness. I've got to raise you guys up a little bit. So I'm trying to do it this way so I have my window and everything so that we have the lighting. Hopefully this is better, y'all. Isn't she cute? Look at that cute parrot. Yes, my nails are a wreck. There's her little crystal ball. So she's like a gypsy. Look at her. She's cute. There's her little house. Lots of details, guys. Lots of details. She is 38 colors. Let's start looking at these colors, shall we? So we have, this is Crinkle Crinkle Time. If you don't like it, I do apologize. I love it. So here's a very light gray, dark brown. Here's a caramel color. Stop! Oh my goodness, my animals. I apologize, guys. 803, 333. That's pretty purple. 550. That's pretty. 300. Another caramel color. 798 is a lighter blue. Sorry, you guys. I'm trying to get used to this way of doing it. 823 is like a very dark blue. Ooh, ABs. There's lots of them. 138. That's a lighter blue. Here we come with the big old trucks and everything. Oh, sorry. I'm going to try and do a whipping chat next. So, while I still have some daylight. But you guys see how shiny that is? You see that AB coating? Y'all, when I say how soft this is, like, you don't even know. Get your hands on one. You guys, I did something bad. Not really bad, but. So, here's some green. Here's a lighter green. Here's all the trucks. All the trucks are coming through now. Amber's filming. It's just, yeah. How I feel sometimes. I feel sabotaged. Just kidding. Here's the blue. Let me get through these colors. Here's the cream, like off-white. 939 is a darkest blue. Got some brown. And like a burnt orange color. Okay, so you guys, I ordered like 5 more Diamond Art Clubs. And like 2 of them I think are new releases. And then I went and ordered 3 Dreamer Designs, guys. I want to try Dreamer Designs so bad. I'm hoping there's good quality as Diamond Art Club. I'm going to check it out for myself. I got 5 bags of 310, which is black. I'm going to check them out. So I got 3 Dreamer Designs coming. I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited. Like I said, 5 more Diamond Art Clubs. Because I know you guys are probably like, damn, don't you get anything else besides Diamond Art Club? Y'all, I would if they had the quality, you know? That's why I buy Diamond Art Club, not so I can be like, ha ha ha, I buy Diamond Art Club, be like snooty. No, I save money. I compromise other things so I can get my diamond paintings like a lot of y'all, you know, like we all do. But I feel, okay. But I feel if I'm going to put my money into something, I want it to be worth it. And with all their guarantees, the customer service, besides the one time that I had bad customer service experience with them, they've been remarkable. Anything that I say, you know, they're right on it. Their customer service is great. Their products are amazing. I love their canvases. So, I mean, until someone else comes along that I find that I really like, I don't know what else to do. I do have a lot of everyday deals. But a lot of those I can't show because at the time I didn't know they were stealing artwork. You know? And I'm not going to show stolen artwork or however you want to call it on my channel. That's just my preference. You know, I'm not judging or anything like that because y'all, I had so much everyday deals. I had so many. I gave a lot away because I met Diamond Art Club came into my life. You know what I mean? And when you find quality, you find quality, and it's hard to go back to anything else. I don't want to sound snobbish or snooty about it. That's just the way it is. When I buy something, I want that quality, you know? To me, it's not about the quantity, it's about the quality. Look how pretty that's going to be. So you get the sticker. I forgot to show you the sticker. So you can put these on your containers. If you don't have a container system, you can just get a piece of tape, and when you're done with the beads, you just fold it back and then tape it, and you have to store them all in this bag though. I wish Diamond Art Club would put these in a bag, or at least, hey, stop, you guys. Sorry, they're growling bad, and then they like to attack each other. I wish they would put these in bags, diamonds in baggies, or at least give us good quality baggies and enough of them to be able to kit up. That's the only thing about Diamond Art Club I think could change is their baggies. That's about it, y'all. That's about it. Diamond Art Club is 906 is green, 3801 is like a coral color, 907 is a green, vibrant green, 155 is purple, 208, beautiful purple, 321 is a red, 165 is light yellow, 935 is Army Green. 129 AB. We got a very light yellow. I'm like, Amber, color. Beige, taupe, blue. Ew, that baby food green color. 666, that's a beautiful red. It's like my nails. 318. Oh yeah, about my nails, guys. I'm taking them off. They're gonna have a breather this time. I'm not gonna cave in. Gray. Some more green. Oh, AB. You get the carrot. The carrot one. How beautiful. Blue. Another green. A caramel. And that, like that burgundy. This is more like a cranberry, maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna soak them off. You guys, I have done my nails forever, and haven't given them time to breathe, and I can't even remember how long. So my light pad broke. That's why I've been doing whipping chats and stuff, because it's hard for me to do during the day. Let's get these gathered up. So, what else was I going to tell you? I had something else I was going to say. Darn it. It seemed important. You guys, no matter what I do, I can never get them back in these baggies. They have like magical powers the way they get these in these baggies. That's why I can never store my diamonds back in there. I know a lot of people don't show you the diamonds because of that reason, but y'all, I want to see them diamonds. When I look at someone unboxing, I want to see them diamonds. You know, I'm getting a little better. I'm getting a little better. Isn't she pretty though? She's pretty. I'm excited. So, I always put my canvases back in the box. Then my diamonds and everything else goes in my drawer over here. Full of stuff. Just full of diamonds. Okay, I don't know which one this is. I'm just grabbing. Guys, grabbing. Y'all, I was gonna say something. Darn it. Hopefully it comes back to me. Hopefully everybody's staying safe with all this craziness going on. No, oh, I forgot to put my... Oh, okay, I grabbed that in there. Okay, I'll get it. So, we have here Angie and Oliver. You guys, I've been waiting for her to come back. I've been waiting for this so bad. You don't even know. I was so sad when I didn't get Sasha and Jet, which I showed you last time, I believe. And then Angie and Oliver. Oh, I was so sad I didn't get her. I was so sad. And then, what is it, Mohamed Muhu or something like that? I think I showed you guys that one. I'm pretty sure I did. They packaged them different last time, didn't they? Because the diamonds were in the... Oh, look how pretty. Look at that turtle. Oh my goodness, she's gorgeous. So, 42 by 59, square with AB. We have 3 ABs in this one too. Yay! Okay, let me show you the canvas. The toolkit is the same, except I'll show you the tweezers. And sometimes you get a 3-placer, not a 6-placer. And they are sharp, guys. They are sharp. So be careful. So you get tweezers. Oh, doesn't say Diamond Art Code on them. Usually do. Or am I going crazy? Let me see. Yeah, I got a 6 tweezer, so it won't do me no good to show you. But I like these tweezers. Those are the only ones I use. I don't like those flimsy tweezers they give us that you get from other places. It's like, what am I supposed to do with these things? So you get your same pamphlet. Oh, and since this is poured glue, y'all, that's another thing. Is Diamond Art Club is poured glue. I don't have to worry about fixing no rivers, no nothing like that. There's nothing that's gonna be wrong with my canvas. Y'all, my dogs can step on it, they can do everything, and it's gonna come out just fine. So with poured glue, you can roll the canvases back on themselves like this, and you're just fine. And it's just, when you do it this way, when you roll it back on itself, it's gonna lay flat. And if you give it time, if you just let it sit there and give it time, it lays flat on its own. Oh, she's beautiful. Hope this is better, you guys. I'm trying to do things different and better so I can give you more quality, you know? Look at that turtle. Oh my god, look at her. She is freaking gorgeous. Look at that face. How cute is she? You guys, I can't wait. Look at that turtle. Oh my goodness. She's gonna be so pretty. She's gonna be so pretty. Hold on, guys. Sorry. She's very, very, very pretty. I'm so excited. I love you. Sorry guys, that was my mom. She's just picking her dog back up. She has 38 colors. Crinkle, crinkle time, guys. Crinkle, crinkle time. I'm going to try and do a whip and chat right after this so I have some light. Because I need to talk to y'all. I need to talk to y'all. Okay. So this one has 3 ABs too. But this one's square. 436, that's a caramel. Oh, 136. I love this one. This is like a purplish, like the 796, but with AB. I don't know if I'm correct or not, but that's the color it looks like to me. Oh, look at those ABs, they're gorgeous. Yeah, I went to Joann's. I got lots of ABs, but you know, they're round ABs, so I can add extra ABs to. This is a mint. I'm gonna go on that. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Where you can get sparklers or whatever. I know I'm in her group. I know I'm in that group, or I subscribed or something, but I can't find them. So if y'all know what I mean, I need to get some square ones. ABs and sparklers and those jelly things. This is like brick red. 208. My dork. That's where I'm from, so I'm all 208. 137, we got that blue. Oh, pretty. Ooh, love it. I love ABs. I don't know why, they just give me so much excitement, guys. Vibrant green. 327's a pretty purple. 823, that's like a navy blue. Pretty pink. Peach. Oh my goodness. And my phone is on it's not on Do Not Disturb. Just give me a minute, guys. Be prepared, Amber. Be prepared. Now you're wiggling. Let me. Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry. Peach color. 38, 37. Y'all, we're not perfect. No, we can't be perfect. 2 bags of this peachy orange color. This is the burgundy. And not pretty. I like that burgundy. $8.20. That's such a pretty blue. $5.50. There's lots of purple. I love $5.50 too. 2 bags of 310. 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 bags of 310. That's black. 891 is like a pretty hot pinkish color. A brown. We got like a honey mustard or something. Carrot color. Oh, here's a navy. Ooh, it's green. Look at that. I'm excited, you guys. Just have lots of babies. Here's a greenish. Well, it is green, not greenish. Oh my goodness, it's like a fuchsia. Ooh, I like that blue. Light blue. This is a lighter blue too. Like a baby pink. Deeper pink. Different shades of green we got here. 606, that's a pretty red. Here's like a cream color. 905 is like it's green. I don't know why I keep saying it's light green. It's green. Light green. 209, that's a pretty purple. Here comes all the big old trucks, guys. 3843, that's such a pretty color. 400, that is brown. 3371, that's dark brown. Those are our colors, guys. And we got one more. I think I did tell y'all that I got 4 Dreamer designs coming, and I got 4 Dreamer designs coming, and like I'm wanting to say 5. It might be more. I'm not good. I'm bad. But like I said, I do it because it's quality. Now I could have went and got like tons of everyday deals or fan sales. You know, I'm not saying those are bad. I just don't want to, you know. If you guys have any suggestions, because I have everyday deals. And hold on, let me talk to you after I get done sampling. What was I saying? Oh goodness. Now I don't even know what I was saying. Oh, if you guys know of anywhere that I can go besides Dreamer Designs and stuff like that to get good quality canvases and stuff, you know, and drills. I tried out, like I'm gonna try out Dreamer Design. You guys know I get Diamond Art Club. I mean, you just watch one of my recordings and you know. I don't know if I was waiting for my package, and I think I was showing you some Cotarts or something. My first video. I think that's what I did. But since I'm putting this back, I am gonna grab this and hurry and just, because if I don't, I'm gonna forget that that's what it was, and then I'm gonna be like wondering where did this come from and why is it, yeah, like where did this go? It'd be like, bug me. So I finally remembered. So where can I go that's poured glue, that has great canvases, and has good drills? Where can I go? Where's your recommendations? I've heard of Treasure Studio Arts. I may look at those next time. But I really wanted to try the Dreamer Designs 2.0 or whatever it is. Yeah, I'm excited to see them. can I give my honest first impressions? Because you can't really do a review in my eyes until you put the, I mean, you can say there's lots of trash in these drills, you can say that, but you can't say, like, how something's going to look or turn out, in my opinion, until you start to do it. You know what I mean? So I can be like, this is so pretty, but I think maybe this is off or something like that. But, oh, this one is the Ice Princess. You guys, my pretty one, I call her, my granddaughter, she was here and she saw me on, she's looking on my lap as I'm looking at Diamond Art Club, you know, and she says, we scroll through this one, and she went, oh, Elsa. And she, oh, see, they bagged this one like they did last time. That's cool. Why'd they quit doing that? But she said, yeah, Elsa. And she's so cute. She thinks that's Elsa. And she wanted it. She said, can I have it, please? So yeah, I got the Ice Princess round with AB 55 by 69. I'm in due for my granddaughter. This one has 3 ABs also. Sweet, y'all, sweet. This one is round. So same toolkit, and it comes with the, I'll show you what their 3-placers look like, just in case you are new and you've never seen a 3-placer, because you know, you guys, there are new people here that maybe have never done a diamond painting. That's what a 3-placer, so it holds 3 diamonds. She's gonna be pretty, I know it. See, they're wrapped up with the drills. That's an awesome way to do it, Diamond Art Club. I'm liking this way. I do like it. Because you don't have to, like, really do anything to them because they're not so tightly wound up. I love it. Look at her. Oh my goodness. She is pretty one. For my pretty one. So I call her. Oh, you guys, she got so mad at me because my daughter's pregnant right now with her baby sister. And I said, and I was touching my daughter's belly trying to get her to move. And I said, oh, my little pretty. And she said, no! And she screamed at me. She got so mad because I called her sister my pretty one, too. Like, I better be careful, huh? I better call her beautiful or something else. Oh, you guys, look at all these colors. Look at that leopard, snow leopard, this snow owl. Y'all, she's a dream. She's in, it's so pretty. I might have to order another one so I have one for myself. Because I already told my granddaughter I'm giving her this one. My grandson, he wants a King's Path. So I just gotta frame those and give them to them. And then I gotta see what my other grandson, what one he wants. I try and distract him long enough to try and get his input, but he's like, whatever, yeah, I see you do these all the time, like, I don't want one. He doesn't seem interested yet. So we'll see. He looks like a little monkey, so I might do the monkey one or something for him. Because I call him my monkey. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. Like, oh, you guys, I tried to get that, I wasn't fast enough. That went out of cell before I could get those with the, you know the new one. The cute little cartoon dragon one. I was gonna do that one for him, and I didn't get there in time. Didn't get paid in time. So the ones that just plopped out of there is 38.11. That's like a mint. We have green. We have 138. We got a lot of that. The AB. Ooh, that's so pretty, y'all. Do you guys like me doing it this this way better? Because can you see the drills better? I think you can. And the lighting's better, huh? Blue. That's a pretty interesting blue. Oh, I like that blue. $7.96. So do you remember that other AB? That's kind of, but this is a little more purple. A little more purple. This is like a purple bluish. You got a light gray. 310, 318 is a gray. 38.65. We're gonna have 4 bags of that. That's like an off-white. Got this pretty light blue. Or is that mint? I always get confused. I don't know if I'm colorblind. I don't know. 820 dark blue. Pretty. And this is round, so I can add on the other EBs I got from Joann's, y'all, from Diamond Dots. I was going to try and get one of their canvases, but they want too much for their canvases, y'all. Here's a peach. 701, and I've never heard anybody, like, rave about them, Diamond Dots, you know. A hot pinkish color, that's pretty. 907. A dark pink. Green. AB. Oh! 134. Light green AB. 165 is that yellow. 538 is like a mint. 993 is like a mintish, like a darker mint. I don't know. 995, now that's a pretty color. And that vibrant blue. Green. Peach. Pink. There's gonna be lots of pinks in here. Great, like a charcoal color. A little bit lighter than charcoal. 141. We got the white ABs, the cream ones. I mean, white-ish, or maybe they're white. I think they're white. They're white. 141. Those ABs are my favorite. These just radiant, different colors. And AB, if anybody's new, AB means Aurora Borealis. That means it has a special coating on it that gives it that extra sparkliness. Does not look like, I don't even know how to explain ABs, or especially the white ones. Some green, and blue. Those are our colors, you guys, and that is, hey, no, that's what I have to show y'all right now. I'm going to hurry and try and end this, get this updated and everything, uploaded, and then do my work and chat and hopefully still have some light. Because like I said, I don't have a light pad. It broke. I ordered one on Amazon, so help is on the way. But I won't get it till like the 27th, so hopefully I get it before then, fingers crossed. Okay, I did that craziness. I won't do these till I'm done talking. Oh, that was very fun. I don't know if I said what I couldn't remember or not. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. I have a lot to talk to y'all about, and I'm excited. And oh, and the winner, I'm gonna mail your package tomorrow, love. So I already got all your information, and she picked the Seraphina. So she had a choice between the Pocahontas one or the Seraphina. And now Pocahontas is out of stock too. So yeah, she picked the Seraphina, so I have her, and I'm gonna be sending her to you. She's in a box over there. I'll put her in a box and everything. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna end this live. If you haven't subscribed, please consider to do so. I'm a pretty cool person, I think. If you're coming here off of Facebook, thank y'all from Divine Purses and Glamour. Yeah, I need to address some stuff that's been going on, and yep. So, thank y'all so much for watching, and thank y'all for us hitting 100 subscribers. That's amazing. We're over that now. I don't know exactly where we're at, but At every 100, I'm gonna do a giveaway. So every 100. So let's go. Share them. You know, share to people. Tell your friends like that maybe like diamond painting or whatever. You know, let's get to 200. Let's do that. We can do it. I need to put myself out there more. I need to do a lot more than what I've been doing. So I'm glad that I have who I have. If I get more, we get more. That'll be amazing. So I'm happy who we got. We got some lovely, lovely ladies in the house, guys. You guys are so sweet. And people have been asking me on Facebook and stuff if they could send me, because my birthday is March 22nd. And so they're like, can we send you something? I've even had a couple people ask me if they could send me something. And of course you can. Just email me, or I'm gonna make sure my email's in here this time in the description. I put it in the comments like multiple times, but I don't know what was going on with that. Look what I did. I did a crap job of that, didn't I? That's okay. They just go in the drawer. But yeah, you guys, I'm excited. I'm excited to have some newbies and the people that have been here since day one. And then I went on Crash Phase and did her show. That was fun, guys. That was so much fun. But thank you so much. I'm gonna try, like I said, try and do this, get my whip and chat done for you guys so I can catch up on my life and what's been going on. And yeah, I love y'all. I love y'all. That's my point. I love y'all. Thank you. Y'all are great. I love your comments. Love your faces. And I love that you guys comment and stuff now. People are commenting. I love it. We're interacting. Okay, guys. Give me those. If you have any suggestions for any other companies, put them in the description, please. All right, guys. Love you guys. Have a great day. Thanks for watching me. Bye. I'll see you later.